Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, hope you all are doing well. I am here with a new video, about how Maruti Suzuki sells so many cars in India. Watch the video till the end to find out how Maruti Suzuki tops the selling chart each and every single time. So, let's dive into the topic and begin. Maruti Automobile Limited was founded by the Government of India on the 24th of February 1981, only to merge with the Japanese automobile company Suzuki in October 1982. The first manufacturing factory of Maruti was established in Gurugram, Haryana, in the same year. A common man's car is what Maruti's first car, the 800, was known as. Maruti Suzuki is known to offer affordable cars. Most of the segments are dominated by Maruti Suzuki, affordable cars being the major reason behind the success. With a legacy of almost 40 years, Maruti Suzuki is a brand well known in India. And this is one of the major reasons that people tend to buy a Maruti car. Maruti Suzuki has two state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India. The first facility is at Gurgaon, spread over 300 acres, and the other facility is at Manesar, spread over 600 acres in North India. The brand's name is such that Indians rely on it. Nothing can go wrong with Maruti. And even if does go wrong somewhere, the network is so strong that you won't have any problem getting the problem fixed. Maruti Suzuki has 50% share in the automotive industry. This gives Indians a reason to trust the company. Being the largest carmaker with such a vast network of dealerships and service centers just adds 100 points to the tally against the other manufacturers. All the cars from Maruti Suzuki come with really high mileage. For example, Maruti Suzuki's Alto K10 can return a mileage of over 32 km per kilogram when running on CNG. This is the major reason that people prefer a Maruti Suzuki car for their daily commute. Keeping the running cost low is what every middle-class man seeks while buying a car. The company has a vast network spread across the country for sales and service. You can easily find a Maruti Suzuki service center at every 5 to 6 kilometers in India. This is the extent of the reach of Maruti, and is the reason that spare parts for Maruti Suzuki are easily and readily available. It's not only the initial cost that is at play here. Maruti Suzuki cars can offer a great resale value due to their high demand in the market. It is a well-known fact that a Maruti Suzuki car can return anywhere near 40 to 50% or more of the initial value even after 3 to 4 years. Although the resale value depends a lot on the condition of the car too. And the company has even got a true value section for the resale of old cars. Maruti Suzuki is known to make cars that are light on the pocket right from the beginning till the end. Which means that the cars from the company are cheap to maintain. The service and spare parts cost are really cheap when compared to other carmakers. How many cars does Maruti Suzuki have? Maruti Suzuki offers 15 car models in India, including 1 car in SUV category, 1 car in sedan category, 8 cars in hatchback category, 1 car in minivan, van category, 2 cars in MUV category, 1 car in compact sedan category, 1 car in compact SUV category. Most of the car driving schools use a Maruti Suzuki car to teach their students how to drive a car. Affordability and mileage do surely play a role, but being the simple ones to drive, it is easy to learn driving. Maruti Suzuki later decided to make a different platform for its premium offerings, which is known as Nexa. But what's interesting to know is that even the premium cars from India's largest carmaker are cheaper than their rivals. As a joint statement by the two companies has stated, under the Capital Alliance, Toyota will acquire 4.94% stake in Suzuki valued at $96 billion. Top-selling car of Maruti Suzuki is the Swift. Maruti Suzuki has sold over 1.56 million vehicles during fiscal year 2020. So these were the reasons that why does Maruti Suzuki tops in selling cars in India. There is one factor though where the company really needs to make progress, and that is the safety aspect. And if it excels to get the safety right, Maruti is surely a brand that everyone should prefer. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already for more informative car-related content. Give this video a thumbs up and share it over the internet. Thank you.